saliva?
It breaks down the food.
There's enzymes in it. Breaks down the food. It's also, it lubricates
Moisture,
things,
yeah.
right? And then down that tube, what was that tube called, Juliet?
The big tube.
The tube.
The soft one.
The soft one.
Yeah,
Yeah, the soft
for
one.
digestion.
I can say it start with the E.
Yes, that one.
Esophagus.
Esophagus. And Amanda, what's the difference between the esophagus and the trachea? How do you tell?
The trachea has cartilage
Yes,
rings.
white cartilage rings. And the esophagus is made of? Muscles, right. What kind of muscle? Wow, we're getting into
Do
details.
they both do the same thing or the function is the same?
Which do the same thing?
Both of them?
You mean
the
esophagus and
yeah.
trachea? No, what goes in and out the trachea?
The food.
No, esophagus is for the food and trachea is that air pipe goes into the lungs, remember? Yeah, good.
I'm feeling good now.
All right, so you remember we
sit down,
showed you that esophagus, that pink muscular
Yeah.
tube went down here, we've cut it off. It goes through the diaphragm and then immediately into what?
This
Stomach.
Okay, point out the stomach for us.
it's bad.
It's that. So
What's
there-
beside it?
there's this all over it, so
Nope.
That's
let's...
a kidney.
Nope.
That's
Nope.
the liver.
Nope.
Okay, so I've taken this...
Oh,
What's this?
oh, this connected
No.
thing?
Spleen.
This is
Oh.
the spleen.
That's the spleen.
That's a
We'll
big
talk about the
spleen.
spleen.
Now this thing is not the stomach, but it's all over the stomach. But actually in real life it covers the whole of the digestive system like that.
Ah,
That's
It's
a
like an-
net.
It's like an apron, isn't it?
cool.
And it kind of protects the system, and it's also full of what? What can you see in the omentum? Blood vessels.
Blood vessels.
The omentum carries the blood vessels that go to the organs, get the digestive, all your goodness, and then take it back into the vein that takes it to the liver. This is the liver here. The liver has a number of lobes. Yeah, touch the liver.
Is this the bottom part of it?
Yeah, the liver's a big organ.
So it's two parts?
There's there,
two
and
little-
then
Yeah, but even
this
each
part.
lobe is a little bit split. Isn't it?
Okay.
I don't know if in a pig, because this looks like it's got separate lobes, but
Yeah.
there's
There,
usually
there.
2 lobes.
So this is all.
Now this is interesting because there's some little bumps in the liver.
What's this?
Can you see that?
Right there.
That's the liver as well.
Oh,
Yeah, all of that stuff
And
right
do you
there.
notice there's little bumps, white
Yeah,
bumps?
right there, and there.
And if you feel them, what do they feel like?
Yeah.
Where's that knife? Let's cut into one of those.
Knife.
Because there's not supposed to be lumps in the liver.
Knife.
So that would be,
Does he have
yeah, so
brucellosis?
brucellosis, maybe. We're going to learn about some of these things, aren't we?
Tumor.
I'm just going to cut into this one here. I'm trying not to cut my fingers.
I can.
Yeah, this is great.
Okay, oh, look at that.
What
So,
on earth?
so that is not normal. Okay.
What's coming out?
It's like oozy stuff.
What is the liver good for, girls? What?
The liver is filters.
No, what?
It's for your food.
So this gunky stuff came out of that. So that's what we call a cyst. A liver cyst. What could cause a liver cyst?
Take a key to the house.
Oh, I have one.
Tropically speaking.
Bacteria.
Yes, well, germs. Yeah. So you could have germs. So bacteria
Or an
could
infect- yeah.
that could cause little cysts. There would be abscesses. This is not an abscess because this is a healthy pig. Abscesses in the liver would make a pig very sick. But there's lots of other reasons you can have cysts, and there would be various of those parasitic things that we haven't learned about yet.
So where would worms be?
That does not mean it's an unhealthy pig to eat, by the way.
Where would the worms be? You know how they say
Just to give it
pig
right.
uncooked because of all the worms? Where would they reside?
They're in the muscle.
In the muscle?
Trichinosis is in the muscle. So,
And they're normally in little cysts, aren't they, in the muscle, the
itty
worms.
bitty.
And so that's why it has to be cooked well. But it's still quite edible, but as long as it's cooked.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so here we are. We've done the stomach. This stomach, look how big it is.
Ooh.
A lot of it is air. You can feel it's like kind of like
Can
a
you push it
balloon.
without-
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, it's strong. It's not going to pop.
Is there some food in there, or what's in there?
Yeah.
Likely.
I have opened
There's
this door for
something
teaching
like muscles
purposes.
there.
We will not do that until you're getting ready to put it in the trash bag.
Is it any bones?
It is
No
very
bones in
Is it
the
any?
Preferably outside of the chest cavity.
Yes.
yeah.
Outside of the whole pack.
That's why, like, when you're gutting a deer, you don't want to like cut into those things too.
That's why I hang it up.
You hang it up.
So
Okay,
it's hang up
so
by its back legs, and then everything can just nicely slide out.
Okay, we're moving right along here.
see your pancreas?
Yeah. It's a big stomach. Is that all stomach?
Where is that? I can't see
The
the pancreas.
pancreas is tucked in behind. Let me switch places here.
Okay. So probably on this side, that's this thing here.
No, we need to.
Oh, that's sad.
We need
Let
to
me find out
rummage.
where I am.
It's slushy.
It was there last time, wasn't it? Yes. The knife over there.
All right, let's look down there.
I'm gonna cut through a bit here.
I like liver.
So this is at the end of the stomachi.
Yeah.
Do you want to zip tie that off?
I would think pig liver. You never. It's just chicken liver though that you were saying, right? Or like turkey
what?
liver.
Everything's
I never
attached,
tried
really. Yeah, pate.
Oh no, any kind of liver would be
Any
fine.
liver.
I don't know that we ever eat pig
Pig
liver, do
liver.
we?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, people do. Oh,
people
okay.
do.
The liver you normally buy would be, I think,
Lamb liver.
lamb liver, right?
Lamb
A
liver.
lamb's fry. Or mutton. Really nice, especially with a bit of bacon and
Is that
onion.
what mutton is? Lamb liver?
No, mutton is a sheep who has had a lamb.
The pancreas could be quite tough to locate, actually. I
Hogget
think it's
is
under all of this.
I think it's
over
all
here.
this
Over
kind
1
of
year old,
stuff,
it doesn't
yeah.
necessarily
Let
have
me
had a
just kind of
lamb.
loosen this piece out.
Can I?
A wether,
Get through this
More
layer
of
here.
a food distinction than a biology
The
no, it's a biology distinction. Sorry, so a wether is a male. It's
weather.
A wether is a male that's over.
Oh, the appendix is attached to the. Which side would it be?
But
The
they're over a year
ascending
But they've
colon,
been
Like
castrated.
a small
The first part of the ascending colon has a round.
right at the
Ball.
bottom. Would it be like
Or male.
there somewhere on that side?
Yeah.
If it's male, they've also normally been
So
castrated.
our liver circulation has got to be tied in.
Just bubbles.
It's tied in down here.
So the stomach empties into what part of the small intestine? Well, we're looking for the pancreas. The duodenum. Or some people, how do you pronounce it?
Duodenum.
Duodenum.
Duodenum. I knew
Oh,
some,
yay!
some American.
American.
Duodenum. Duodenum. Duodenum.
This large mass
Mac-
here
capillaries
is
or
what's
capillary?
keeping us from
We
separating.
say
So
capillaries
I'm
in
trying to
there.
figure
It's
out.
capillaries. Capillaries.
I love the word
capillaries.
Capillaries.
A
Aluminium.
lot of.
Aluminum.
That's like an Australian
Aluminium
thing.
No,
Aluminium.
it's a British
It's English.
It's English. Oh,
Kiwi.
Because there's another I
key
in it.
term.
aluminium. My dad
So-
always had that.
So back to our anatomy.
Yeah.
So we're down to our stomach, and then the duodenum or duodenum. Now the duodenum, it goes in a C shape, right? And around, it actually travels around the pancreas. So where Janet is dissecting right now is down around the duodenum, and that's where the pancreas will be.
No pancreas.
Well, this is the stomach.
It'll be there.
What's that stuff?
It's a big stomach. So we're coming out of the end of the stomach here, and this is where the intestines are going to start.
Right. So
There's another sphincter right here somewhere.
So that is the duodenum right there.
So this is the beginning of the duodenum. Okay, you see that? And then it starts on a little trail, and down here, chemically, if Mr. Piggy eats fat, we're going to have a call for the gallbladder, and that's what I was looking for underneath the liver.
Why does the
And I've
stomach,
got
back to you.
well, I've got a huge
why does the stomach have like purpley bluish things? Are those just like the
Little
Those are
vessels.
veins.
veins?
Yeah, lots of veins.
This
Is that all liver? That's a lot of liver.
Lots of liver, yeah.
This
Big liver, big
is,
stomach. It's a big boy.
Attached to the liver, so that must be a
gassy as
vessel.
well.
It might be the pancreatic duct, or gall duct, bile duct. 'Cause that would go down. The aqueduct.
I have not seen the gallbladder yet. Normally it's tucked in.
Yeah, it should be
But
there.
I don't want to break this in case you
No.
want to teach from it.
Well, we don't want bowel contents.
Yeah, no bowel.
No, this is a vessel.
Do pigs have appendices?
Appendix.
Appendi.
Appendix.
So he has one.
I don't know. We'll have a look. We'll have a look and see if he has one.
Find out. Maybe he had
Stuck
surgery.
Maybe
in
he had
there
a-
with this large mass.
Maybe he had
Having
he had an appendectomy.
because of appendicitis.
Yes.
Appendicitis.
Maybe he had one in his.
Maybe we can just run the bowel a little.
So let's carry on. So the
Let's stretch
duodenum
out the
goes into all the
small
rest of the
intestine.
small intestine, and that's these little things.
Yeah.
And in the human body, how many feet